In this reaction, we have to find out what is A. When the reactant is reacted with magnesium, we can get Grignard's reagent. So magnesium, since alkyl halide is there, alkyl chloride is there, magnesium is inserted between carbon and chlorine forming Grignard's reagent. After the formation of Grignard's reagent, it undergoes reaction with the compound containing acidic hydrogen, or it undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction within the same molecule. After the formation of Grignard's reagent, the carbon attached to magnesium becomes carbene ion. That carbene ion attacks at the carbonyl carbon which is present in the same molecule. So intramolecular nucleophilic addition reaction takes place, producing cyclic compound, cyclic alcohol. So we should have that idea. A is nothing but cyclic alcohol which is formed by the intramolecular nucleophilic addition reaction. So let us take the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons are there. Fourth carbon is attached to chlorine. This is the given one. When it is reacted with magnesium, of course in the presence of ether, that will not be given, we have to understand. Grignard reagent is produced. This is the Grignard's reagent. After the formation of Grignard's reagent, this undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction within the same molecule. Carbene ion is there which acts as nucleophile. The carbon which is making bond with magnesium can act as nucleophile since electronegativity difference is there. The carbene ion can attack at the carbonyl carbon because carbonyl carbon is electrophilic in nature. So within the same molecule, nucleophilic addition reaction takes place. C minus attacks at electrophilic carbon present in the same molecule. This is called intramolecular nucleophilic addition reaction. Carbonyl carbon pushes the pi electron pair onto oxygen. Then we can get a salt-like addition product. O minus is produced. Of course, O minus may attract cation which is MgCl plus. So this carbon is carbene ion 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So this is going to make new bond with the carbonyl carbon. This is the new bond formed. I hope it is clear. So after the formation of this salt-like addition product, this is salt-like addition product subjected to hydrolysis. During the hydrolysis, salt undergoes hydrolysis. O minus takes H plus, forming OH. Three-degree alcohol, cyclic 3-degree alcohol is a cyclic 3-degree alcohol. So 1-methyl cyclopentanol, its name is 1-methyl cyclopentanol. That is the product obtained. Now the option B is correct. B is the correct answer.